Alright guys, we just arrived here in Malaysia with my wifey, Cassidy. We just arrived here in Malaysia just now, 7:30, our landing. Pero may konting ano ko at hindi ako na-update. Kailangan pala ng arrival declaration. Dami pang puno rito.
Ano to yung tawag?
Saging?
Hindi yan saging. Limutan ko.
Nope.
Hindi yan niyog. Ito yung ano nila